So in this video, I'm going to share with you 4 ways that you can make quick money in one day. Now, if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, with most of the strategies that I share on this channel, it does require that you set things up, that you have to go through that learning curve, meaning that you have to set things up, you have to build up that momentum, and once you start to do that, you can start to earn income every single day if you remain consistent with this. Now, in this video, again, I'm going to share with you 4 ways that you can make some quick money in one day. And what I highly recommend is that if you are in a situation where you're trying to figure out how to make money in one day, use any of these strategies that I'm going to share with you in this video, but also make sure you take some of that money and invest into some type of a business or whatever it is, even if it's not the one that I'm recommending that I'm a part of, that you just invest into a business where you can generate income every single day and you don't have to be in that situation where you're trying to find money in one day, right? You definitely don't want to be scrambling around. You always want money to be coming to you abundantly every single day. So if you want to know the same system that I am using that's helping me to earn money every single day online, underneath this video in the description below, go ahead and click on that first link, and that way you can find my #1 way to make money online. But anywho, let's get back to the content. So again, in this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make some quick money online. And also, if you're brand new to this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let me go ahead and share with you what you need to do to earn some quick money. So the first way that you can earn some quick money in one day is freelancing. And with freelancing, you're basically selling your skills. So think about any past job that you have had, and you can leverage those skills and offer them for hire in order to make some money. So 2 ways that you can actually do this. One is going to these websites, freelancing websites like Fiverr.com and Upwork.com. Now on these websites, again, you can post your skills for hire, and if somebody hires you for a job, you can earn some money. On Fiverr, they have people selling their skills for like $5 all the way up to several hundreds of dollars or even several thousands of dollars. Now, the higher end of this is typically going to be your pro verified sellers. So that means that you have done quite a few jobs on Fiverr. You have gotten a lot of good reviews and everything else. And over time, Fiverr will actually allow you to charge more for your services. And that way you can start to earn large sums of money in a short period of time by selling your skills. If you go over to Upwork.com, on this website, they have tons of people over here who do graphic design, create websites, create Shopify stores, and it's the same thing with Fiverr. They have people selling the same type of skills over there as well. And typically on Upwork, you have people ranging from, $7 for their skills all the way up to several thousands of dollars. And it's the same thing. The more work you do, the more positive reviews you get and everything else, you can definitely start to charge more for your services. So again, take a pen and paper, jot down at least 10 things that you can do, and think about all the past jobs that you had, and think about all those things you can do, and you can go to these websites and you can sell your skills. Now, another way you can do this is by joining Facebook groups. So you can join Facebook groups for business owners, entrepreneurs, female entrepreneurs, Shopify groups, e-commerce groups, or whatever else. And you can go inside of these groups, and whenever somebody is posting that they need some help, creating a Shopify store, or they need some help creating the descriptions for their online store, whatever it is, you can reach out to those people and actually offer that you can provide a service for them, and you can actually charge them, and then you can create an invoice sent to that person. They pay you, you complete the service, and boom, you have some money that you have earned very quickly. Now, the second thing that you can do is basically sell your stuff, obviously, right? So think about anything that's in your house right now that you don't need, that you can actually go ahead and sell. And if you can't think of anything inside of your house that you can sell, or maybe you have already done that, what you could do is you can reach out to family and friends, see if they have some things that they're trying to get rid of. And what you want to do is you want to go on mobile apps like OfferUp.com, Let Go. They also have Macari, all these different type of apps that you can sell stuff on these particular apps. You can also do the same thing with eBay. You can do that as well. Go ahead and find things around your house, and again, reach out to your family members or some close friends and see if they have some things that they're trying to get rid of, and let them know that you're trying to raise some money in order to get your money quickly for whatever reason you need it for, and sell that stuff on one of these apps, and that's another quick way that you can earn some money. Also with this, you can go to Craigslist.org and you can go under the free section and find things in your local area that people are giving away for free. And if they just need some quick fixes on it, do those quick fixes and then repost them on Craigslist, or again, offer up, let go, or whatever else, and sell them, and that way you can earn some quick cash. The third way you can earn some quick money is to hit up those DMs. So if you're watching this right now and you have an online business, maybe you're in network marketing, maybe you do affiliate marketing or whatever it is, and you have been posting consistently on your social media about your products and your services, what you need to start doing is start DMing people. You need to go ahead and start sending private messages to people on Facebook, on Instagram, or whatever else. Start with the people who have actually left comments on your posts whenever you're talking about your business. Reach out to the people who have liked or reacted to your post. If they left a thumbs up, they gave you a heart reaction, whatever it is, go ahead and hit up those people, get in those DMs and direct message those people. Sometimes people want to buy something from you, but they probably just have a few questions that need to be answered, and they probably just had some type of nervousness or whatever else, and they just didn't reach out to you. So reach out to those people, send out private messages, and start closing some sales. Now, what you don't want to do is you don't want to just send a raw link to somebody in their direct messages or their private messages on Facebook Messenger or whatever else. You want to reach out to the person, have a little bit of a conversation, see if there's a sale that needs to be made. If they're saying they're actively looking for help with something, this is where you insert whatever it is that you're selling, and that's how you're going to get the sale. But start getting in those DMs and start to earn some cash. Now, the fourth thing that you can do is you can go to a website called TaskRabbit.com. Now, I've covered this website before on this channel, and you can go ahead and find odd and end jobs around your city that you can earn money. So again, if you know how to clean, if you can clean houses, if you can help somebody move something into a new apartment, if you know how to set up IKEA furniture, you can make some quick cash on this website. And there's going to be people posting jobs on here that you can apply for, and that way you can start to earn some quick cash. So again, no matter what type of skills that you have, you can leverage this website, and that's how you can start to earn some money. And if you actually come into this website with a strategy, you can actually not only earn money in one day, you can actually probably start charging more for these services, getting more jobs, and get to the point where you can actually start to charge more for your services, just like how I mentioned for freelancing. And now you have created a new income stream for yourself by leveraging this website and doing more and more jobs, so that way you're actually earning more and more money. So in this video, I share with you 4 ways that you can make some quick money in one day. So again, try any of these strategies, and again, remember to take some of that money, invest into a business, so that way you'll never be caught in a situation where you need some quick money. You always want to be in a situation where you are earning money every single day, guys, okay? So if you want to know how I am leveraging the internet with affiliate marketing and how I'm earning money every single day, underneath this video, go ahead and click on that first link. It's going to take you to the exact system that I am using that's helping me to earn money every single day. And make sure you leave a comment below if you have any questions. Give this video a thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.